Hi everyone, my name is Cedric Dominguez. Today we're discussing the Hall of Bulls. The Hall of Bulls. The Hall of Bulls is a famous section of the Lascaux Cave in Montignac, France, known for its large upper Paleolithic cave painting created. The painting in the Hall of Bulls are very old, dating back to about 16,000 to 14,000 BCE. This means they were created more than 17,000 years ago. For teenagers, one of the deer dogs discovered the cave entrance in September 1940 near Montignac in southwestern France after the dog chased a ball down a hole revealed by a fallen tree. They found themselves in a large room with walls covered in animals painting.